We're going to go through all 251s in 5 minutes. If you want to have a longer explanation about 251s, please visit this video here. We're going to cycle through them through the circle of fifths, which means we'll start in the key of C, then we'll go to the key of G, etc. For this one, we're going to focus on harmony, and we're going to do this pattern here. So just like harmony exercise 2, we start the same. We start on the minor 7th of the 2 chord, 9, 3rd, 5th, or use my trick of having a minor triad and splitting it up there. Then when we get to the 5 chord, we're going to drop this one, and raise this one. And halfway through the bar, we're going to bring this down a tone as well. This creates a G7, flat 13, sharp 9, and then we move it to a flat 9. So it's a good way of altering that 5 chord and making it sound jazzy. Remember, if it's too challenging, stop and start the video as you need. Make sure you've got those shapes under your fingers, or drop the playback speed if you need to. If you find it really easy, vary it with some of the other patterns that I've shown you. And yeah, try and make some music out of changing the inversions up. Okay, let's cycle it through all the 12 keys. 1, 2, 3, and... Hey, well done if you follow me through all of those ones. I plan to drop a new one of these exercises every Friday. So head over to my channel and see all the other exercises I've got. Thanks for following me through this one, and I'll see you in the next video.